Today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight on this Kia Spectra. This Kia Spectra has the bulb 9003. It's a single high-low beam bulb. Depending on the model, to change the driver's side, like in this model, there's the air intake tube. You can pull this one off, and it will give you enough space to reach in and get to it. If for any reason you cannot get to it, then you can take this bulb off and disconnect the battery, negative first, positive next, and remove it out of the way, and then you can get enough space. You most likely don't have to do that. Next, grab the access cover, turn it, and remove it. Now to change the bulb, you want to grab the connector, and you want to pull it straight out. There's no tabs holding it. Then you want to press on this tab right here. You want to press it in, and you want to lift as you press it in. And then when you lift, just back it out of the way. Grab the bulb, bring it straight out. And to reinstall the bulb, do not touch the glass. You set it in. With 3 tabs, 1 on top, 2 on the side. You want to line up the top one and just line it up with this grooves right here. Once you put it in place, bring the tab over and just press it in and then push it down. Plug in the connector. And reinstall the dust cap. And then reinstall the tube. Just put it down, line it up, lock it in place. And on the passenger side, everything is the same. You have more access. And that's how you change the headlight on this Kia Spectra.